Hello guys, I'm Rafael Nacimento. I'm a PhD degree at University of São Paulo, Brazil. And in this video, we will talk about the study net energy in Brazil meat trade. Who is the biggest beneficiary? This presentation is composed of an introduction that discusses the incentive to the develop of this study and its objectives, a suggested methodology to achieve the proposed objectives, and the previous results and previous conclusions using the suggested methodology. So, Brazil is one of the most important animal protein traders in the world, okay? According to the FAO database in 2019, Brazil showed 26% of the imported, of total exported chicken meat, 11% of the total exported pork, and 18% of the total exported beef preparations. However, it's not the only protein that goes away from the meat to another country or another region in this trade. Also, real wealth provided by Earth and ecosystem services, uh, as for example, water, nutrients for example, nitrogen, phosphorus, etc. And local landscape degradation could be carried out in this trade relationship. Also, it's possible that the price paid for the meat importers does not consider the real wealth contained in this meat. In addition, according to Odom, all these elements could be considered as real wealth, and its value could be measured from the energy accountability. Thus, the present study aimed to identify the biggest beneficiary in the trade of meat, chicken meat, pork, and beef among Brazil, and the importers from the real wealth point of view. For this analysis, it was considered a model to estimate the ratio of emergy benefit proposed by Odom in his book, through the relation among the product sold and money from purchase, as you can see in the upper image. The list image uses the pork trade from Russia in 2014 as an example. First, the product energy was obtained from the multiplication among the energy content per kilogram of pork and the whole pork exported to Russia. Then the energy flow was multiplied by the Brazilian pork transformed according to the scientific literature. And then to find the energy of money, the energy paid, the money paid by the whole exported pork was multiplied by the Emergy Money Ratio, and so on. For this was found an estimated Emergy Money Ratio according to NEAD database. Okay, and this analysis has been performed on each country in a time window of 19 years. In the upper of this figure, you can see some information used to perform this analysis. The UEVs, the sources and source of energy, as well as source of information about chicken, pork, and beef too. Besides the ratio of energy benefit was estimated a fair price to meat trade among the countries. For this was considered the relation among the energy from the meat and energy money ratio for from Russia in this example down image. down of this image. Sorry. Uh, According to this analysis, for example, for beef, Brazil showed it as the most beneficiary in the trade relationship with with European Union. Sorry, uh, over the years, now, okay, considering the set prices and ratio of energy benefit. Also, in recent years, Russia showed as the most beneficiary in the trade relationship. Pork, Brazil always showed as the poor beneficiary in the trade relationship. This fact suggests the need to increase pork manufacture. Another result, for other hand, for chicken, in this time, uh, Brazil always should as the most beneficiary in the trade relationship, considering the set price. Okay. However, considering the ratio of energy benefit in the recent years, okay, Russia should as the most beneficiary in the trade relationship, as well as the beef trade relation. So, in conclusion of this study, sorry, Brazil presents itself as a big beneficiary in the chicken and beef trade with European Union and chicken with China. The pork never achieved a fair price, and the difference increased year by year. Also, in recent years, Russia presented itself as the biggest beneficiary in the meat trade with Brazil, despite the payment above the fair price by chicken meat. I would like to thank you for the opportunity, and I wish you all a nice event. Thank you.